Hey guys, my name is Tara. Thank you for being here. So today I did my fun, flirty date night look. I think it should be like in everybody's in everybody's arsenal to have like a red lip. I just did some wing liner, threw on lashes, super fun. This is second part to a series. I did my skin and color correcting in the video that I put up before this. So if you want to see how I got my skin so glowy and so pretty, go ahead and watch that video. Leave any comments down below of things that you want to see or products. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. Continue watching. All right, so we are going full date night go-tos, easy, not easy, but like, yeah, whatever. Date night edition, kind of staple edition. I don't know. Smeagol's here for the show. I'm gonna prime my lids. All right, lids are primed with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm gonna use the Going Coconuts palette, and I'm gonna set my entire eyelid area with Shredded. This is a bit of a two-part series. I did my base and some color correcting. That's up first, so go ahead and check that video out as well. Smeagol. Like to bring it into my inner corner to brighten that area. Perfect. So just taking one of my Wet n Wild brushes, and I'm gonna mix Lovely Bunch and Coolotta together and start buffing that into the crease. Right. Really just like contouring the eyes, and just so they're not just one color is what I'm going for. Smeagol. And I'm gonna run that same mixture under my eye using the same brush. Smeagol is headbutting me. What are you doing? Hi. What? Hi. Okay, so I like where that's at, so I'm gonna start working on my liner. That palette does not have a black in it, so I'm gonna use Tati Beauty. Use any black you want, but I'm just gonna use Memory, the black color in here. My brush got all frayed last time I washed it, so that's tricky. All right, switching brushes because that brush is too frayed and not giving me the clean liner I want. I am gonna clean up because my first brush was a lot more fringed than I anticipated. So just taking a little bit of concealer and a concealer brush. Perfect. Okay, cleaned up the wing. Clean the wing. So I'm going to pop some lashes on. Okay, lashes are on. I'm cutting it out because it got weird. I don't even know what just happened, but they're on. I'm gonna toss on some of my Grande mascara. So I think it would be cute to leave this like bare, and I've done that before and I'll do it again. I like to do that in the summer sometimes, but for date night, we are gonna smoke it out a little bit more. Okay, and I think also, because I'm just going for like fun, flirty, we're gonna put a lighter color in our waterline. And I'm going to use Linen with my NYX pencil. When they get a little wet, I just dab that off on the top of my hand and go back over and do a second layer, and that really helps to ensure that it's gonna last longer. So I guess kind of what I meant by easy is like going in with shadow for your liner is a little bit easier sometimes than using a liquid liner and or potted liner, at least for me. So that's like easy date night, like go-to staple, you know, flirty fun eyes, minimal makeup. All right, so let's go ahead and put on some brow bone highlight because I just love this step using, not Do Me, using Carrots for my Jaclyn Hill illuminating powder, and I'm gonna put it on my brow bone. Just love what that does. Using the, well, let's go ahead, since I probably got shadow into my eyebrows, so I usually wait till my shadow is done to do the brow gel, but I like to do my eyebrows first. I don't know why, I just have to have them on to like frame my face. I admire people that do eyeshadow then eyebrows, but that just is not me. And it's much easier to clean up your brow, like if you mess up when you don't have shadow on, so there's that. All right, so let's take the Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette, and I'm gonna jump into Sparks and put that on my inner corner. Nice and bright. I'm gonna mix Iced and that Sparks. And run it down my nose. And then right up there for a little button nose Tin Man. And then I'm gonna take the same carrots and put that on my cheeks using a little bit bigger of a brush. God, I love that stuff. She did the damn thing with those. Okay, so this is the look, and I'm gonna give you 2 different lip options to do for this look. So the first one will be, I'm gonna use Rose Clay from Mud Makeup Designery. Don't ask why the tip's like that, but it is. It's just kind of a rosy mauve color. So let's line the lips. So this is option number 1. I really like it. Super cute, nude, goes with anything, easier maintenance. So let's do option number 2. I'm gonna wipe this. All right, so for option number 2, I'm gonna use Phantom by DLS. It's a matte lipstick. So I'm gonna line the lips with this red color that I have. These lip liners, like, you barely have to touch your lip and it's putting on pigment. However, I just remembered that I think you have to be licensed to buy this brand, so I apologize. Use your red of choice. All right, and that is lip number 2. So fun. I feel like, I don't know, just a red lip, a wing, and some lashes is just a great go-to. I feel like it's kind of a staple in anybody's collection. I have really been, and I've always loved lipstick and a red lip, but starting this channel has really encouraged me to do my lips a lot more. I love this so much, and I am not going on a date tonight, but I might order some food. I don't know, but I really like this. So don't forget that this is kind of a 2-part series. I did my makeup and my color correcting first. That will be up first, so go check that out. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, subscribe, leave any comments down below on products or looks that you would like to see me do. Yeah, no, thank you. Have a good day.